Welcome to this guide on Bitcoin halving. In this video, we'll explore one of the most important features of Bitcoin, its programmed scarcity. Bitcoin halving is a mechanism built directly into Bitcoin's code that ensures the digital currency remains scarce over time, similar to how precious metals like gold are limited in nature. Bitcoin halving is a scheduled event that occurs every 210,000 blocks, which works out to approximately every 4 years. During this event, the mining reward that miners receive for validating transactions is automatically reduced by 50%. This wasn't a random decision. It was built into Bitcoin's protocol from the very beginning by its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, to control how new Bitcoin enters circulation. To understand why halving matters, let's first talk about mining rewards. Miners are individuals or companies that use powerful computers to validate Bitcoin transactions and secure the network. In exchange for this work, they receive newly created Bitcoin as a reward. Now, here's where halving becomes crucial. By reducing these rewards over time, Bitcoin creates a controlled supply. This means fewer new coins enter the market, which creates programmed scarcity and helps protect Bitcoin from inflation. Let's look at Bitcoin's halving history. The first halving occurred in November 2012, when the mining reward dropped from 50 Bitcoin per block to 25 Bitcoin. The second halving happened in July 2016, reducing the reward from 25 to 12.5 Bitcoin. In May 2020, the third halving cut the reward in half again, from 12.5 to 6.25 Bitcoin. Most recently, in April 2024, the fourth halving reduced the reward from 6.25 to 3.125 Bitcoin per block. The mathematics behind halving is elegantly simple. The block reward follows a formula. The reward equals 50 divided by 2 to the power of n, where n represents the number of halvings that have been completed. The value of n increases by 1 every 210,000 blocks. This formula ensures that the reward decreases predictably and systematically over time, making Bitcoin's supply schedule completely transparent and verifiable by anyone. Here's a crucial fact. Bitcoin has a maximum supply cap of 21 million coins. This limit is hard-coded into the protocol and cannot be exceeded. No central authority can print more Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies. Due to the halving schedule, the final Bitcoin is expected to be mined around the year 2140. This fixed supply cap is what makes Bitcoin fundamentally different from fiat currencies and contributes to its potential as a store of value. The halving has significant economic implications. First, it creates digital scarcity. Just like precious metals such as gold are valuable partly because they're limited in quantity, Bitcoin's decreasing supply creates similar scarcity in the digital realm. Second, it affects supply and demand dynamics. When the issuance rate of new Bitcoin is reduced, and if demand remains constant or increases, basic economics suggests this could influence price discovery and market value over time. Let's recap the key points. First, halving is a predictable, automated event that's built directly into Bitcoin's code. No person or organization controls when or how it happens. Second, it occurs every 210,000 blocks, which is approximately every 4 years. And finally, this mechanism ensures that Bitcoin remains scarce and deflationary over time, distinguishing it from traditional currencies that can be printed without limit. This is programmed scarcity in action, and it's one of the core features that makes Bitcoin unique in the world of money and finance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.